Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to replace your key's dead battery. You will need a new CR2032 battery and a screwdriver. Now, how to open the key? First, press this metal pin inside and pull. Now, you need to separate these two plastic parts using the screwdriver or the metal part of the key. Now, using the screwdriver, remove the old battery. Now open the new battery and place it inside. Don't forget to remove the child safety sticker. Now put the new battery inside. And now close the key. Put the metal part inside. And that's it. Now let's check if it's working. The key is working again. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.